How to get deals up to $10 off on your purchases on Groupon. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are looking for offer, just get started. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and search for LA Times. Go to the coupon code section and from the coupon menu, select Groupon promo codes and coupons. Hereby you will see different kinds of offers and options. Just tap on the one that is best suited for you. Then after just copy the code and enter the code during checkout from the website. Likewise, you can view different options such as deal of the day and much more. While some of the coupon codes do not even require a code, you can just visit the website and by logging in and checking out, you will get the discounted offer included on the amount. So that is all for today's video. In case of any updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.